Yes, Massive and Creep back once again with another video, and still on the lockdown thing. Today I woke up and I was coughing a little bit more than normal. I sneezed and brought up a bit of phlegm, so I'm a little bit concerned, so I decided to double up on my garlic doses today. See it there? And it's like a cough when you breathe in or out. Sometimes on the out you feel a tickle, urge to cough. Let me try one of these Babylon System Tingz. I've not got no asthma, I've got nothing, no underlying health conditions, but my chest is starting to feel like fire, like a smoker's cough from back in the day style. I don't smoke, I haven't smoked in 20 odd years, so I'm doubling up on my dosage, and I'm taking all my herbal supplements now. I'm just going through my cupboard now and just taking one of each now. I'm not playing. Yeah, so in the studio with TDK we are sorting through some discs, reminiscing on some old floppies and stuff, digging through. So kind of after work, so it's a bit of a late one. So yeah, we're just we're just getting through. We got the Amiga set up.
See how desperate man was.
In it, we were just finding any old disc, man, and just saying, right, butter clips. Yeah, it was butter clips. Now it's an Akai disc. This was one of these. Right, easy, man.
Some of these discs.
This is one of these fresh catalogs discs. You know these we probably used to get like public domain software in it. We used to just get that and put tunes on it. I want to know what kind of bug can last on surfaces for days. That don't make no sense. What's the other thing we were saying, babe? What we say? What kind of flu lasts days? And what's the other thing?
Swine flu?
Yeah, what kind of flu? What kind of illness resists garlic? I've never heard of that one. I've never had a thing where I've not taken garlic and this thing ain't gone. So I'm not going to get into the conspiracy part of all this crap, man, but something's not making no sense. From what I see, the problem of developing biological weapons is that it can't last on a surface too long. It can't last outside the test tube long enough. It dies quick. Now all of a sudden we got viruses that have evolved into lasting for days on surfaces. Something mad going on, man. I don't know what it is, but we've got some crazy germs now, man, that are able to last outside the body for X amount of time, more than normal. I'm 50 years old and I've never seen anybody in my family catch a germ off of a surface after days. I'm not a scientist, so I could be wrong, but I do like to think outside the box. Comment down below if there's any out of the box thinkers out there, and I'm sure there's many. But boy, it's like you feel like you're in a queue, and every day you're moving up that queue till it's your time to pick up the 999 emergency and ring.
Stop the blood clot crying. Everybody must dead. It's your turn.
All I've got to say is, nobody's asked me to say this. I'm doing this to help people, and also I'm pretty sure I'm going to be okay. But even talking to you now, I'm holding back the urge to cough. Yeah, I should have a flipping mask on. You're right. We're all new to this, and people are saying, "Oh, you shouldn't wear a mask," and you know, you should say for the doctors. And yeah, okay, the doctors need their masks. But the authorities should be flipping manufacturing enough for the flipping. You can't pass it on to the people. The authorities should be flipping manufacturing enough masks to cater for the people, because I'm sure these people that sell masks on eBay and all that don't get it from where the hospitals get it. It's mad. And then Wuhan's locked down, China's locked down for X amount of time, and they're better now. They're over it, right? And they made their place like a ghost town. They forgot about money, forgot about economy, forget about anything. Just lock it all down. Everyone get the army, rags up the people who don't care, and put them wherever they got to put them, in their yard, wherever, flipping weld the door, how they do it, however they done it, but they got over it. In Italy, just saw on the news, woman saying that everybody in Italy knows at least one person who's died from the coronavirus. That could be a member of your family. Hope to God it ain't a member of my family. I'd rather me dead than see a member of my family dead. Or my friends. Not putting panic out there, people, man, but like all the point I was going back to with the masks as well. How comes China's got over it and everybody wears masks? They've been wearing masks in China for time, bruv, and they're used to it. You go out there with a mask and you feel like an idiot. That's the kind of vibe that it's like a monkey see, monkey do society. So if you don't see someone else doing it or everyone else doing it, you ain't gonna do it yourself, and that's how you feel. But like, are you a sheep or are you a leader? You know what I mean? This is how people give in to peer pressure. Let's be strong, let's set an example. You got a mask, put it on. You got a scarf, put it on. You cough. I don't be singing the same stuff as everyone else because I'm trying to be different. I'm trying to give people some different advice. But right now, today, I'm doubling up on the garlic. I know I've done my video, my flu bomb, and what I'm on, and I'm documenting my whole journey. I'm going to be on my music because that keeps my mind from freaking out. But you can't live your life in fear. But I'm saying, don't be in fear when you're in your house and you're getting your symptoms. Let's fight this thing. I'm going to be exercising today. I'm carrying on. I'm a fighter. I'm fighting through this. I don't care, because it's not a nice way to go. People in a hospital, in quarantine, away from your family, they can't even say goodbye to you because you're going in an area where untold people are flipping going to be apparently swamping the place. It's real, man. Look at Italy, look at flipping all these countries, France. Let's just try and make a difference, people. Let's try and stay in. I know young people like to rave, and when you're young you don't care about what goes on the news, and like, yeah, let's rave, man, as long as I can party. Listen, do your fights and run away, live to fight another day. So you know what I mean, you've had your laugh. Let's get back inside now and let's lock down. You know, people want to go shop, they want to go here, they want to go there. Lock down. Just keep that door shut, man, and stay inside. It's the only way we're going to beat this. And the more you don't go inside, the more you prolong it, and then we can't get back to our daily lives. When we get back, when all this is over, there's going to be bare business. There's going to be and just like I say, charge everything to your coronavirus card. Forget about money. Just man come to you for money to say, boy, you know what, coronavirus and like and I can't work, you know, and boy, as soon as this thing comes back on, you know. And if they're not sympathetic with that, then shame them on flipping social media for being so flipping evil. Because this is a time now where it's all about charging your bullshit to your corona card. Put the bullshit there for now and put the corona card there. And focus on staying safe. So apparently if you eat a bit of onion, it's good for infection. Well, let me put that to the test. Here goes. Not bad.
I'll eat it cooked, but not raw.
Cheese and onion flavour.
Yeah.
Woo. I'm introducing some fenugreek today. Okay guys, this herb is called fenugreek. This is good for the immune system and also the respiratory system. I'm going to take some of this, and it says here 1 to 6 grams a day. 1 teaspoon is 3 grams, so it's a couple of teaspoons of this a day. So I'm going to make myself a drink of this. Hopefully it's not too manky. I'll probably sweeten it with some honey if need be. Yeah, and I'm just sharing that with you, man. This is my journey, this is what I'm doing. I'm not saying you should do it. It's got like a green kind of plant, kind of celery kind of, yeah, it's got kind of mingy sort of green taste to it. So guys, this is my homemade cough syrup. It consists of onion with a bit of honey. So you get a bit of onion, slice your onion, put the onion in there, put it in there like that, and then pour some honey on it. That's it.
Like that?
Yeah. Bit more. There we go. I'll put it in the fridge till tomorrow. You know, for soothing the cough, after this is sat in the fridge overnight, you just get a little bit of the honey like that and you taste it. And it tastes weird, it tastes like onion honey. But that is good for a cough. Beats them Babylon System flipping chemicals that people want to buy. And it's got about 50 things that are bad for you while it's stopping the coughing. So yeah guys, hope you found that useful. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe. Running out of time for this one, people. I hope that's helped anyone. Please comment down below, and I'm going to be carrying on as normal. If I have to wear my mask in the yard, that's what I'll do. But I swear down, this thing is going to sort this out.